Hey, how's it going, bros? My name is Aaron. Welcome back to another video. A few days ago, Sony launched a new addition to its extra bass line of headphones. It's called the Sony WH-1000XM3, and I happen to have a pair right over here. Nah, I'm just kidding. This is the Sony WH-1000XM3, but the XB900N looks somewhat similar, in fact very similar to these ones. Anyway, the XB900N retails for $249, which is like $100 cheaper than the WH-1000XM3. And it's also got noise cancelling, it's got touch controls and all that. But then comes the question, why should you then pay $100 more for the WH-1000XM3? What are you gonna miss out on if you spend $100 less for the XB900N? And this is what I'm gonna cover today. Okay, so this is how it's gonna go. I'm gonna talk about the similarities between the XB900N and the WH-1000XM3. And then I'm gonna talk about the differences between them in terms of battery life, features, and accessories. And then I'm gonna leave it to you guys to decide whether that $100 price difference is justifiable or not. Okay, so similarities. They both share the same touch controls. So in terms of tapping and swiping to control your music, your volume, Google Assistant, ambient sound pass-through, phone calls, everything is the same between the XB900N and the WH-1000XM3. They also share the same Bluetooth 4.2 connectivity, and they support the same codecs as well. aptX, aptX HD, LDAC, AAC, and SBC codecs. Both of them also support NFC pairing, audio cable input, voice assistant support like Google Assistant, Siri, and Amazon Alexa, and they both charge through a USB-C port as well. So as you can see, they are both quite similar in most respects. Now, this is where they are different. Hey guys, I'm so sorry for jumping in here. While editing this video, I realized that I forgot to mention one important thing, and that is that both headphones also supports the Sony Headphones Connect app. So as with the WH-1000XM3, if you sync up the XB900N to the app, you will be able to enjoy extra features and perks along with future software updates. Okay, so sorry for interruption, back to the video. They both have the same claimed battery life of 30 hours with noise cancelling, but in terms of battery life without noise cancelling, the WH-1000XM3 seems to have better endurance than the 900N. The WH-1000XM3, 38 hours without noise cancelling, the 900N, 32 hours without noise cancelling. So there's a 6-hour claimed difference between the both of them. The XM3 also seems to charge a lot faster than the 900N. The XM3, 10-minute charge gives you 5 hours of playtime. The 900N, 10-minute charge gives you 1 hour of playtime. So huge difference there. Now that was for battery life. In terms of features, despite the fact that they both support noise cancelling, it is not gonna be the same noise cancelling because the XB900N does not have the same QN1 chip that this uses for its noise cancelling. The thing about noise cancelling is that noise cancelling usually has an impact on sound quality. What the QN1 chip can do is to isolate a lot of the noise cancelling processing away from the actual sound processing of the headphones itself, allowing you to enjoy great noise cancelling with minimal impact on sound quality. And it also brings with it one other perk as well, and that is the ability to calibrate the noise cancelling to suit your ears and the atmospheric environment around you. And to me that is a big plus because, well, if you've tried other noise cancelling headphones like the Bose QC35, you notice that yes, the QC35 does have very good noise cancelling, one of the best, but it also has this pressure on your ears. So the QN1 chip with its ANC optimizer offers you a way to relieve that pressure automatically, and this is something that the XB900N doesn't have. It's impossible to say at this point which one has better noise cancelling because, well, I'll need to try the 900N myself to know for sure, right? But I have a theory that this one might provide better noise cancelling because this one has the QN1 chip and that one does not. As for sound quality, well, as before, it's impossible for me to tell at this point which one will have better bass, but one thing's for sure, you'll enjoy higher resolution audio with the XM3s because these ones are high-res certified. The 900Ns are not. Now, in order for a pair of headphones to earn that coveted high-res logo on the packaging, the headphones has got to support a frequency response of 20Hz to 40,000 Hz. So there's a whole lot of headroom for you to enjoy that high-res audio. If the headphones only supports that typical frequency response of 20Hz to 20,000 Hz, then it won't be able to qualify for that high-res certification. So if you're into listening to a lot of high-res music through LDAC codec or aptX HD codec, then I will probably recommend the XM3s over the 900Ns. And all that juicy sonic goodness is going to be driven by the HX version of DSEE, which is only available in this pair and not in the other pair. And finally, we get to talk about the accessories. The XB900Ns, they come with an audio cable, a USB-C charging cable, and a soft carrying pouch. These ones, the XM3s, they come with an audio cable and a USB-C charging cable too, but instead of a soft carrying pouch, it comes with a hard carrying case and an in-flight adapter, so they can plug your headphones into the in-flight entertainment system. So if you're a jet setter, someone who travels a lot, wouldn't something with a hard carrying case make much more sense? I mean, the extra level of protection you get with this thing, it's insurance, man. So yeah, those were all the differences between the 1000XM3 and the XB900N. Of course, like I said before, it's up to you to decide whether the $100 price difference justifies all of that compromise that you make with the XB900N. But I want to know what you guys think, man. Would you rather spend $249 for the XB900N, or would you bite the bullet, pay $100 more, go for the 1000XM3, the classic, the king, right over here? So hit me up in the comments section below. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. As always, if you like this video, please punch that like button with a vengeance and share this video with your friends. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and remember to ring the bell to join my notification squad because I upload videos every single week, and this is the only way that YouTube will notify you. So ring the bell, don't be shy, and I'll see you again in the next video.